everyone. So I'm currently heading to a class. Sky looks kind of nice. So now we have Comp 210, which is a computer science course in algorithms. Basically, algorithms and stuff like that. There's some math, but it's not as mathematically intensive as our last trimester when we had Comp 201. That course was in discrete mathematics for computer science. It's also known as MFCS. Make of that abbreviation what you will. Anyway, I'll see you in the ACAD block. Right, so we're in the ACAD block. I'm too scared to point my camera like facing backwards. I don't want to capture people on camera if they don't want to be on camera. Because I don't want to sweat, I'll take the lift. But I usually take the stairs. I've decided to watch my hygiene more and sweat less when I'm going to class. It's just better, and so I take the lift. So I'm in the lift right now. So there's some interesting posters in the lift. That's not a poster. This is a poster. We reached the third floor. One thing I kept doing like an idiot was continually climbing the stairs. I continued climbing the stairs up here that take you to the terrace, except it's a dead end. And so I would forget that this is the third floor and just keep climbing the stairs. And I'd wonder like, where did the third floor go? And then I'd realize my mistake. Don't do that. It's just a waste of time. Class 3, I believe it should be here. Okay, wow, it's actually kind of interesting. So the projector light is on, and I look so blue. It's dark in here. Not sure. Not sure if this is the class. Sometimes the class can vary based on some confusions. But that doesn't happen very often. This should be the class. Alright, so there's no one here. I'm a little early, so I thought I'd just hang around. In life, when you have no signal and no one's socializing with you, you feel blue. That's why the HDMI screen is blue, perhaps. Turn on the light here. Cool. So one benefit of having an Android device in college with an IR blaster is that you can turn the ACs on and off anytime, as long as they're enabled. That's nice to have. Many people will come and ask you to turn the AC on in their classroom because the AC remote will be missing. Interesting quirk, I guess. Not used to seeing that. So you might be wondering what we learn in computer science Comp 210. Just gonna open my bag here. So in our class, the professor doesn't allow us to use our phones, and so or computers, and so we use notebooks and pens. So let's see. Last class notes. Now you don't have to take down everything the professor takes down. You can take down whatever you find worth remembering. I take a lot of the notes he takes and I try to understand them. This is GCD, greatest common denominator. We try to derive algorithms from scratch. This is a course full of deriving things from the first principles, but a lot less so than Comp 201 in my opinion. But then again, it's just an opinion. D divides A, D divides B. This stuff is fairly understandable if you've done grade 11, grade 12, grade 10. I'm pretty sure a high school student would be able to know this stuff. And we tend to write a lot of code in class as well. He'll use a coding thing and kind of show us, using loops, the speed of an algorithm, how you can make it faster and more efficient, despite different processing speeds. Modulo N, congruence. Like for the last few classes, we've been learning about congruence. Yeah, this is all Comp 210 algorithms notes. So this is a basic idea of what the stuff we do in Comp 210. Very interesting thing is that we actually measure things in terms of total cost. And when we talk about cost, I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about how much resources other than money a process takes, like time, for example. Hey. So that's my Comp 210 notes. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative or useful or entertaining. I'll see you in the next one. Good night.